Welcome to Bestusefultips. I will show you how to set date and time on your Google Pixel 8 Pro device. Swipe down the notification panel twice at the top. At the bottom right, you can see setting gear icon. Tap on it. Now scroll down up to system. Tap on a system. Scroll. Here you can see date and time option. Tap on a date and time. By default, enable set time automatically. To set time, toggle off it. Now tap on a date and select the date. Tap on a time to set your time. You can also set automatically time for your time zone. Make sure toggle on it. Just toggle up. Tap on a time zone. Tap on a region and select your country to automatically set a time and date on your device. Go back after select country. You can also use local default or use 24-hour format in your device. Just toggle on or toggle off the option you want to use. Set time zone. Toggle on the set time zone automatically to automatically display time and date on your device. That's it. If you like it, share it.